Are you looking for a way to get rid of love handles but don't know where to start? Love handles are a classic problem area for many people, and no matter how much weight they lose, from eating right and exercising, the fat just seems to stay in place. They seem to be more common in men than women, but love handles can happen to anyone. What causes them? Well, it could be that you have poor eating habits or are overweight, since it takes time for your body to store extra calories as fat. It could also be a result of genetics. The good news is it's never too late to take control of your body's shape. Here are 5 exercises that will help you lose love handles. These exercises are designed to strengthen your lower back and abdominal muscles, which will help you shed those love handles. Perform each exercise in the order listed for a minimum of 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind head so fingers touch the back of head, elbows pointing outwards. Then lift chest up off the floor while squeezing iliopsoas muscle and buttocks together. Lower back down. Note, the exercise can also be performed by lying on the floor and bending knees with hands flat on the ground underneath the buttocks. Seated abductions. Sit on a chair and keep feet flat on the floor. Feet should not be crossed. Sit up straight, pull the belly in toward the spine, then let it roll out and push the belly in again at the bottom of movement. Note, if your love handles are located over your hips, the exercise can be performed facing backward in a chair and leaning slightly forward. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Keep right elbow against right knee as you lift left elbow and right knee up towards the ceiling. Switch, lifting left elbow and right knee while keeping right elbow against right knee. Hamstring curls. Lie face down on the floor with arms at side and palms facing down. Lift heels off the ground as high as possible, squeezing the hamstrings, then slowly lower back to ground. Note, this exercise can also be performed standing up with back straight and abdominal muscles engaged. Knee-ins. Kneel on floor with knees shoulder width apart and toes on ground. Lean forward from the waist and place hands on thighs with fingers pointing toward knees. Straighten arms, keeping back straight, and lift right knee up toward right elbow. Return to start position and repeat with left knee, alternating sides. Note, if your love handles are located over your hips, the exercise can be performed facing backward in a chair and leaning slightly forward. Your love handles are likely to be a stubborn area of fat no matter how much you diet or exercise. However, by performing these exercises regularly, you should see results in as little as 2 months. We hope you're going to implement this in your workout routine, and don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.